Hi, I'm Maya, and I'm here with our principal, Mr. Roth, and today we're going to be talking about open house. So can you just tell us what open house is and how it's going to work?
So open house is just a great opportunity for parents to come in, meet their sons and daughters' teachers if they don't know them already. If they know them from earlier, great chance to reconnect. I like open house because you don't have too many grades yet. So if you're a student and you're watching this, bring mom and dad to the open house because there's nothing but good things to be talked about. It's just a chance for them to know what your classes are like and who your teachers are. That way when you come home and you say, oh, Mr. So-and-so did this, they know who Mr. So-and-so is.
And when is it?
It is Thursday, September 13th from 6 to 8:30 p.m.
All right. And who should go?
Everybody. We want this place full. So students are certainly welcome to come in on that night. That way you're hearing everything that your parents are hearing. You know more about our classes anyway, so you can fill in the gaps. Parents, guardians, aunts, uncles, neighbors, you name it, anyone who wants to be involved in your education should be here. We welcome them. Doesn't matter if they're your official guardian or not, they can come.
Why is it important for people to go to open house?
I think open house is one of many things that we do to try and connect, with families. Families are the most important part of what we do, and that communication is always easier, whether it's positive or negative, if there's a face behind the name, if there's a face behind the voice. If people only know me from my voice calling home, then it's not a good thing. And your teachers, it's the same thing.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, it's a great night to come out and see what the school's all about, to meet all the teachers, and we want kids to come. Well, you're not kids, but students. We want you guys to come out with your parents. That way everyone hears the same message.
So can you just say the date and time again?
It's Thursday, September 13th from 6 o'clock to 8:30 at night.
All right. Thank you, and I hope to see you at open house. I'm Maya here with Mr. Roth. Thanks for watching.